Let's see the team of Bengaluru Bulls, who are going to be the Raging Bulls this season. Last season I had said that a really tough team has been formed. Pradeep Narwal, this and that, and defense was good. Everything went into the water. They made the dead last position season 12. But this season, mark my words, make and frame, paste it in your home. Don't do it, I'm just telling you that. Don't really do it. But this season, Bengaluru Bulls is going to be a really good team, cause all the players are, half of the players are bought from Haryana Steelers, Pune Ripalton, Jaipur Pink Panthers. From everyone, one player is brought, and more than half of the players are new. So that means the entire team is new. None of them are the old ones. So here we are able to place our bets on Bengaluru Bulls, the season 6 champions. The season 6 champions, and can they be the champions this season as well? One mystery figure, the coach has been returned, the assistant coach in the season 6. But let's directly come back to the point. Here they are cooking this. If we talk about the Raiders, it is going to be, you name it, it is going to be, who is it? Who are we going to be starting with? Why am I repeating my words? It is going to be Akash Shinde. Yes, the boy from Pune Ripalton. At that time when Aslam Inamdar was injured, the captain, the one and only Akash Shinde, who has got 135 raid points and also been acquired for more than 50 lakhs, 53 lakhs. This man is going to be the raiding side, handling the raiding side, and not a one-man army, but enough to acquire the raid. Usually he had played for Indian Railways, but Indian Railways came second, and in season 11 as well, Pune Ripaltons did not even qualify, but still he is a good player. And Bengaluru Bulls, first time for Bengaluru Bulls, and here can we see something new? Can we see something expensive? Because BC Ramesh was the coach for Pune Ripalton, and he is the coach this season for Bengaluru Bulls. When he was the coach, Akash Shinde had done really good work. That's why I guess he has been brought back into the Bengaluru Bulls. If we talk about a new player, a new deputy, Mahipal, he is going to be the raiding side, handling the raiding side as well. One more Mahipal is there. Two Mahipals are there. One is Mahipal Palarom, and who is 33 raid points last season, who was there for Bengaluru Bulls in the last season. This is not all for the raiding side. One more name remains. It is going to be Shubham Bitke, who is the new deputy as well. These two guys, Mahipal and Shubham Bitke, they both did good work in Yuva Kabaddi series and those all the things. Because of that, they had been bought here by the team of Bengaluru Bulls. As I have said, half of the team is new and half of the team is other teams. So here keep in mind, Akash Shinde has been bought and two of the new players. Keep counting and tell me into the comments which players are new, how many players are new, and how many players are old. Here, if we talk about the defense, two raiders are enough, more than enough we can say. Two good raiders and others two new raiders, it is more than enough, almost pretty much reliable. But what about the defense? It is going to be Sanjay Dhul, who has been bought from the winning team of Haryana, who has got 60 tackle points and has been bought for 60 lakhs, like 1 lakh for 1 tackle point. That is the thinking of Bengaluru Bulls. Here he has been bought for 60 lakhs, and not only the money, we must keep in mind that every year the player gets old, but with that comes experience, and we have seen in Spider-Man that with huge power comes huge responsibility. Just like that, the star raider must continue his star performance. Because of that, Sanjay Dhul is a really good defender. He played for Haryana and was a Haryani guy as well. So that is the mind, keeping in mind that Bengaluru Bulls last season, the Raging Bull was not able to do that much of I guess their stats in the attacking side were only 0. Because of that, they were not able to score even a single point and were the dead last. But this season, I guess they would have put their stat points. You know, if you play any game, there are stat points. With each level, you get a stat point, and after that, you need to put it into attack, defense, or strategy. I guess last season it was all in strategy. This season, at least make it balanced team. That was a joke. Let's come back to the team strategy. Here, one more guy in the defense side has been bought. Let's see if you can guess it if I tell from where he has been bought. He has been bought from Dabang Delhi, who has got 55 tackle points and also been bought for 1.125 CR. Who is it? Can you guess it? Yes, it's Yogesh Dahiya, and he has got 55 tackle points. Why is this happening? Like Sanjay Dhul made 60 tackle points and he has been bought for 60 lakhs, and this guy got 55 tackle points and still 1.125 CR. It is almost not an equal, because Sanjay has got it in 26 matches and this guy has got it in only 22 matches, because you know the finalist teams plays extra matches. That is why he has got for a little bit of less money. That is not a decision today, but not only two defenders, one more is needed. So who is going to be it? Ankush Rathi with more tackle points than both of them, 89 tackle points and bought for only 30 lakhs. What an prize, what an like you are getting an experience for money. Like if you go somewhere and there is a chocolate for 30 rupees and it is only this much, and there is a chocolate for 10 rupees which is this much, which one you are going to buy, this or this? Yes, obviously this, the bigger one. Here you got the snatch deal from Jaipur Pink Panthers. Ankush Rathi being bought for 30 lakhs and who had got 89 tackle points is a really good deal for Bengaluru Bulls. Defense till now is looking devastating, mesmerizing, and also and strong defense. With that comes the last man, who is going to be Manish Dhul, who has been bought from Puneri Paltan and for who had got 15 tackle points. But still, if you got plenty of the defenders, then it is going to be a 4-3 type of formation, and here we got 3 of the Raiders and 4 of the defenders. So that is why which thing you must keep in mind. If we talk about the all-rounders, it is going to be none other than Dheeraj Rajveer. Who is Dheeraj Rajveer, you might ask? He is a new deputy. I was saying none other than one and only, and you would be thinking, who is this guy, man? I did not even heard him. He was not in the last season in Pro Kabaddi League. He is a new deputy, but he has been bought for 40 lakhs. That means he has done something unusual. You can go find it out and tell in the comments. I know what he has done, but still you can do that much of research into the comments at least. If we talk about more all-rounders, it is going to be Alrez Mizaini and also Ahmedar Asghari, both of them Irani, and here bought for 13-14 lakhs. What an figure, what an Irani. You know, Moin Safagi, he is an Irani, did good in raiding. You know, Shardulu, Mohammad Reza Shardulu, the best all-rounder right now. You know, Fazal Atrachali, the god of defense who was in Bengal Warriors. He is Irani as well. That's why almost of the Pro Kabaddi players that you can bet on all-rounders, it's going to be Irani, and both of them are going to be on the watch, on the eyes of every fan of Bengaluru Bulls. Last season, the Bengaluru Bulls was having a lots of fan base, but this they still was there at the 12 number position. But this season, can they at least change it? That is what we are going to be watching here. And if we talk about the coach, it is going to be BC Ramesh, who was in season 6 the assistant coach of Bengaluru Bulls, and at that time Bengaluru Bulls had won. Yes, this team only. And in season 7 Bengal Warriors and Bengal Warriors had won. So that keeping that in mind, and for Puneri Paltans in season 9 as well, at that time that was a strong team. Aslam Inamdar, Ashkash Shinde, everybody came into form, and right now in Bengaluru Bulls, what an coach BC Ramesh. If we talk about the overall stats of the team last season, that is, in fact, the team whole is gone. Why are we going to be taking a look? It is important, man. That's why you should we can compare that this season this much points are taken, and the last season this much points are taken. New team this much, last team this much. So let's see. Matches played 22, loses 19. Last time the lose streak was going on in 968 raids, they had got 294 successful raids and only 378 successful raid points. That is 30% success rate. A lot of misbelief for the player fan base of Bengaluru Bulls. And if we talk about the success rate of tackle, it is going to be 36%. Total tackles at 543 and only 194 successful tackles and 227 successful tackle points. That is a little bit of mid performance by the team of Bengaluru Bulls, but still it is a good thing for Bengaluru Bulls. If we talk about this season, it is going to be in the, at last we would know, but at least I can say at last minimum they would reach the playoffs. Minimum. And how much you can see, they can even reach the semi-finals or even qualifiers in this season 12 of Pro Kabaddi League. This was all my strategy, all my thinking, and I am only 15 years old, man. That was all thought by me, planned by me. This video is edited by me, everything by me, so don't take tension. The jokes are written by me. Yes, you got all the things right. So don't take that much of tension that this guy said no, Pradeep Narwal, no. And if we talk about Pradeep Narwal, a good legend, has been given off, has retired this season. That is going to be a topic which we can talk for hours, because he was the legend. Played season 2 in Bengaluru Bulls, season 3, 4, 5 made Patna Pirates win. Season 6 came in UP Yodhas, did a good performance, and right now the youngest player, he was there in season 2 and then continued that legacy, but this time he has been retired this season. So that means it is going to be an end for Pradeep Narwal, the end for record breaker Pradeep Narwal. That was all for Bengaluru Bulls. If you like this video, click on the like. Click on that like. Even if you don't like this video, still click on that like. It helps me a lot, and click on that subscribe as well. Even if you are a hater, click on that subscribe. What is going to be happening? You can hit more videos, man. That is going to be the thing. Just kidding. If you like this, you can like and also share with your friends and family. I got lots of support last season from the fans of Bengaluru Bulls. They had been good supporting till now as well. That was all for the Bengaluru Bulls. Over and out.